least we know we're beside the police station. Ba't tagal nyo? Ooh, coffee. What's that thing there? It's nice din minsan magstay sa mga gato kasi parang yung neighborhood din talaga nasa ano ka din talaga.
Makakablend tayo sa locals.
Into the culture.
Yeah.
Ha?
I forgot the camera.
The what?
Camera.
Oh, may hotel dito tabi natin, oh. Magkano kaya dito? Orient's Hotel. Looks nice. Baka may breakfast place dito, you know?
Ito, what's this? Coffee.
Siguro.
Ito ko.
Ayan, toast and coffee for your cheerful morning.
Yeah.
Cheerful coffee.
Wow.
Nice. Ayan, waffle and ice cream. Oh, I like. It's so K-drama feels.
Paano ba yung Parasite, Atinar?
Hmm?
Parasite?
Oo naman.
Ay. You think walang poor sa kanila, no? Pero meron talagang ano, sa lahat ng countries, meron talaga.
Actually, that's very, that movie is very,
Realistic.
it's really thought-provoking. And it really, ako nga mismo, it made me also think about my, my people, my
yeah.
stuff. Which is, totoo din naman. Siguro din na sa isip nila, diba?
Yeah.
I mean,
And pag nag-rain din na tayo, oh no, parang ano, yung rain is gonna ruin our plans, ganyan. Sa kanila na,
it's their,
may nag-ano, naghaharutan.
Tapos pag sa morning ako, grabe.
Oh my gosh, that's how you spell it pala.
Togyero.
Ay,
Hi, Zai! Where are the names for? Ano ba itong beers? I think it's a restaurant also with beers. It's so nice. Oh, there it is. Ito, bibili ako nito sa grocery mo. Uwi ako ng mga ganito sa parang pang ice.
Oh,
Para,
Sa yung mga, ito naman tayo natin sa iligan, di ba ganyan yung
Oo,
ano? 90 pesos per...
Yun. Kaya ako
90
nagdala ng mga
bucks.
maleta.
Yeah.
Kasi mag-uwi ako ng mga ganyan.
Yan ang problema ko, wala kaming ano, lalagyan. Sige lang.
Box.
Oo.
Oh my gosh, really magaling. I don't understand.
Honey.
Oh my gosh.
Rania. What's wrong?
Gift cards, gift cards, gift cards.
No.
Yes. 10,000.